Storm chaser captures this amazing video of a tornado in Oklahoma on Monday. The twister swirls across the road, and the chaser then races up the road toward it. The chaser realized he got a little too close and tries getting away, only to find himself in even more trouble. You are watching that car flip. The car flips off the road and into a ditch. However, the wind wasn't a factor in this accident. The steering jam, causing the driver to slide sideways into the ditch and then flip, and the driver was not hurt. That's an amazing video.
It is. A lot can go wrong when you're storm chasing.
Oh, yeah, that's why I don't like that. I go the other way.
Exactly. Fortunately, no storms to chase around here. That was beautiful, guys.
Yeah, how long is this month out there? Let's go to our CPR. Very latest Skywatch forecast.
Well, we have some interesting weather going on out there. Right now, it's pretty quiet here across the mid-Atlantic with high pressure keeping us nice, clear, dry, sunny out there with warmer temperatures. As we take a look at the HD radar, you see scan, it's got nothing going on, but the bigger picture on HD radar composite. You see a lot of storms, and from that video you saw of the tornado chasing, that line of storm were moving through Oklahoma just yesterday, and that's where that damage occurred. But this line of storm still spawning some tornadoes down there in parts of eastern Texas. So in northeastern Texas and Texas, we're seeing late fall thunderstorms firing up along the frontal boundary. You can see the front that's pushing through warm, moist air coming up out of the Gulf, and then that drier air coming in behind that along that front. You get the lift in the atmosphere and you get that spinning action. So active tornado warnings right now. Northeast, Texas down to north of the so definitely we're getting some which we don't want. But we will see some activity from the front pushing in as we get towards Thursday. Give us a chance for some showers. Now, out there right now in a harbor, a look downtown, you see the lights glistening after a clear day. We're going to see mainly clear night. 65 degrees right now with winds out of the southeast at 6. Humidity levels at 47%. Across the area, the spread of the temperature is pretty comfortable, looking at 65 Baltimore, 62 in Harrisburg, 59 in Salisbury, 62 in Charlottesville. Look at Charleston still holding on to 70 degrees. We had 970 here for a high today. And you can see in the Maryland satellite radar, nothing going on here. High pressure keeping us nice, clear, and dry. We have another day of dry conditions for tomorrow until that front arrives. We'll start to cloud up as we get into late tomorrow night. And then by Thursday, looking at a chance for some showers moving in across the area. There's that high pressure keeping us dry. There's the boundary moving in from the west. Indiana, by tomorrow, but it won't rain here tomorrow. Like I said, Thursday it'll start to arrive. But we're watching the Atlantic also. Still late season activity out there. We have a tropical storm Sean, winds at 45 miles an hour. Now the track of this storm right now looks like it's going to be.
You bitch! Why are you doing that?
Doing what, Mama?
Over the Atlantic, so it doesn't look like they'll affect us, but still we may get a few rain bands very close on the eastern shore as we get later on.
You're so stupid.
I'm trying to get it up.
So it looks like we have associated with Sean. It shouldn't be affecting us.
I have like 6 minutes of this.
So the day for tonight, clear skies, 45, and tomorrow plenty of sunshine.
Not if you keep dropping it.
You can access the latest information right on your cell phone. Download the Fox 45 mobile news app for your Droid or iPhone. It includes headlines, traffic, and weather conditions all at your fingertips. Go to foxbaltimore.com and look for mobile at the top right-hand corner of the screen. A life-changing flash mob.
The unexpected surprise for one woman aboard a subway.
A lot of people doing something at the same time. Very. Turn towards me.
Your primary care doctor understands how to keep you well.
Oh my God. You're disgusting. I don't think the antibiotics are working.
You only had it once, Taylor. Stop being a damn cracker.
I know, but I feel shitty.
Trash, compare, and buy at Verizon. Because there's never been a well in it.
More.
With your dollars, go further. There's one place that delivers unlike any other. Your Toyota dealer. So don't just trade in. Trade up in Toyota during the Toyota Trade Up Sale. Trade up to a 2012 Highlander. Or
I don't have a thermometer.
1.9% APR financing for 5 years. Or lease the Highlander for only $269 a month for 36 months. Don't just trade in. Trade up. Get great deals today and better value tomorrow.
Fuck you.
Paul, Alex, and all their friends are creating something special.
Ew. That was disgusting. No, it was not. That cat is cute. He's playing with the bell.
Let's introduce you to a new customer. Anyone. And to your new office.
Oh, I threw up a little.
Just a free app that puts money right where it belongs.
It's gonna make me choke.
So you can be in business anywhere, and anyone can be a customer.
Take it off. Take it off.
Get your free Square card reader at squareup.com.
When I came home, there was a fax that came through on my fax machine saying that there was a package for sale right in this area. So the next step was then to secure a loan. That's why I was introduced to a person at the
What?
My
I wasn't looking.
and he said, I can lend you the money and you can go for it. I'm glad somebody had faith in me who put that much of trust in me that I could do that.
Susquehanna Bank.
I'm not good with emails.
Like yours, member FDIC.
Oh my God, Mama, guess what? Halcon has dimples.
Yet another general manager. Today, the Orioles
What?
introduced Andrew Kett, who replaces the departing Andy McPhail. He earlier served as GM in the Expos and Red Sox, but has not worked in the major leagues in almost a decade. Duquette says he's an admirer of the old Oriole way, and he'll use that as a roadmap moving forward. We're going to put together those same fundamentals of good.
Oh, my teacher's last name used to be Duquette. Duquette. It's right here now.
And I know that Orioles fans
His name is Dan.
team, and so are we, and we're going to make that competitive team a reality. Across town, one last Sunday night's dramatic like rival Pittsburgh Steelers, and it was a departure from the Baltimore norm. It was a victory that the offense, not the defense, made happen.
Every player
He is pretty dread.
wants to do their part, and really wants to uphold their end of it. And for the offense to be able to do that this game in that way, is very valuable. And it means a lot to them. I think it means a lot to all the guys.
More from Dan Duquette, including specifics on his relationship with Buck Showalter, and much more from the Ravens. It's coming up at 10:50 and 11:30 on Sports Unlimited.
Hi, Bruce. You can't see enough of that video of Flacco remaining in Marvel,
I also can't get enough of the days that we're having.
yeah, that's for sure.
70 degrees and sunny in November.
Yeah, it's all easy to it. So, take credit for it.
Thank you very much. I work hard. I do. I work hard at this job. Anyway, here's what's going on.
Why are you doing that?
Tomorrow would be nice addition.
Why is there an American flag up there?
We'll hear from the left.
Oh. Bitch, I don't think we're all. Damn it. We have so much fun together. What do you do? Stop touching Kenzie. Where is she? Because you're sweating? Face me. Face me. That's a girl. Yeah. They do. No? I thought they were just dancing and singing.
Judy is coming up next on Baltimore's Fox 45. 30 Rock.
Trying to work those arms.
11:30 on Baltimore's Fox 45.
You're so stupid.
Oh, I gotta I can't do it.
You act like I want to do that.
You do. Yeah, Munchausen.
It's Munchausen, and it hurts to cough. I don't want to cough.
Munchausen.
You can't even say the name.
I know, but you know it well, don't you? How you say it? No!
You're so dumb.
No! Ah, I'm almost done!
Now that I have assurance I can do more. Call 1-800-375-5018. That's 1-800-375-5018. Visit thegholdwireless.com.
Damn it.